Alright, so after much deliberation and thought, we've decided that we are going to treat the grubs and any other not beneficial nematodes by putting the compost in the bed. So we're going to amend all of the beds before we put the beneficial nematodes. Initially, I thought that I was just going to treat the compost bed, and also I found grubs in our mulch pile. So I was going to treat the mulch pile and then treat the compost pile after a good day of rain, and just treat those in the places that I knew that I had put the compost out already. But like I said, I discovered that I had grubs in my compost or in my wood chips. But as we're weeding our beds right now, as you can see, I also found grubs in my soil already. So at this point, it just doesn't make sense to treat the compost and then the mulch, and then there'll still be grubs in the actual soil. So what we decided to do is amend our beds, get them ready for spring. Once we have everything all amended, then we'll treat it and just go and treat every single garden bed. This is a lot more labor intensive than just treating the compost pile and the mulch pile. But at the end of the day, it's the only for sure way to make sure that we don't have any grubs in our garden bed. So stay tuned. Oh, you got a sticky trap. You got a sticky trap. Let's see. Let's see. Oh boy. Let me get it. You're free. How do you feel? Be careful, because now you're playing with ants. Trying to get an angle where the house isn't. They're all crowning. Wow, that's so satisfying. This is like the perfect carrot harvest. Wow. Second ingredient, chickpea flour. Second ingredient, ingredients: rice flour. Third ingredient: cornstarch.
Just connecting with nature. Felt so good laying on the grass.
Yeah, you got Zion laying on the grass.
Yeah, he was chilling too, like before you came. If you didn't come. So first I'm gonna start by hand weeding these around our yarrow because I don't want to accidentally unroot these when I use my
You see the yarrow
cultivator.
is over there too. Yeah. You got this. You got this.
So we're just gonna go ahead and weed these.
BDE.
This goldenrod is here. We're pulling it up all up in the yarrow space. All up in the yarrow space. You don't want them. You don't want these roots to be fighting each other. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's like when you got too much people in the elevator, it start getting stuffy, right?
And then somebody hit the vape.
Yeah, someone hits the vape and then you all die. So you want to clear out the elevator. You don't want that happening. And yarrow is good for what?
So many things, but it's pretty much known for helping with like pregnancy, things related to the feminine reproductive system. But I know it's also really healthy for babies. I think it's like calming as well.
Okay, what about the male reproductive system?
You see those roots, those red roots? Yeah. Those are the yarrow roots. Isn't it beautiful?
Wow. You tuck those back down?
Yeah. But you said what? What about goldenrod?
I said, what about the male reproductive?
It probably helped with the buddy. I'm sure it helped with the buddy if it helped with the woman. But yeah, I know I planted it when I was trying to get pregnant.
Satisfying?
Satisfying enough? Yes, Miss Satisfying. Watch out for the ants now.
Bite me.
Boy, you gonna get what you're asking for. Because I'm gonna mulch that. Yep. Yep. Happy plants, happy plants.
Huh?
Hey, you guys want to see how I plant peanuts?